Hello, my name is Judy West and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Hi all, well I've been waiting for this little gift from Canada and it's now arrived and I'm ready to play with some napkins, but I thought before I start playing with them all I'll show you what I have in this stash, because I've got 80 napkins and 50 designs, so it's going to take a while for me to get all these done. So I thought I'll give you just a little preview of the types of napkins I have, and then I'm going to start a series on how to work with napkins in all sorts of situations, doing some step-by-step tutorials, and once I've taught those skills then I'll just do some quick videos showing you other ways to do the same technique on maybe a different surface or with a different design. So let's just get started. I actually got 30 designs of 2 each, and I got a pack of 20 that were one-offs, one of each. So 80 napkins but 50 designs. And I got these from Ninnys Napkins, and they're from Canada and I'm in Australia. So Ninnys Napkins offers a flat rate, international rate of freight or shipping at $14.99 Canadian, which works out about $16.64 Australian. But if you spend over $129.99 Canadian, your freight is free. And so that's what I did. I took advantage of the offer, and here they are. So let's have a look at what I've got, and I've got a really pretty range here. There's 2 sizes in her napkins that I've bought, but they're not the only sizes. So the sizes I've bought are 5 by 5 inch and 6.5 by 6.5 inch. Okay, so they're the 2 different sizes I've bought. And let's just have a look at some of these. Some of these are a complete all over design like that. So it's not the same. It's a repeat pattern, but it's not the same there, and there. So you could open it out and just put the whole thing down, is what I'm trying to say. Then there are designs like this, that when you fold it in half, you've got a continuous pattern, and isn't that beautiful? And you've got a repeat on the other side. And these are just too cute for words. That music is an all over design. Now this one is a little one where you've got 4 of the same thing repeated 4 times. They'd be beautiful on a nice little square card. They're all the same. There's no left and right. And in the front of a card, that would be beautiful. So with this, and there's 4 of these on each napkin. He is so cute. These are yeah, again, lovely cards, but you know, I could put that on a art journal page. I could put it on a nice little jewelry box. There's all sorts of ways you can use this. This one is the same. It's a long one like that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So you could use the little squares. Coasters would be nice. They'd make beautiful coasters. Put it on a ceramic tile. It's gorgeous. Now this one is this one, and it is a left and right, but it also looks like a continuous pattern. So there's a mirror reverse of that, but they've put a fern in the middle, and so therefore it looks like it's a continuous pattern. It doesn't stop and start. This one is a continuous one too. Look at this. So beautiful. Oh, look at that. I'm going to have so much fun with these. I've got a long list of things I want to do. And then I've got to marry up the napkin with the list. see how I'm going to do this. See that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The colours in that are gorgeous. Now I've got quite a few. I might turn this around this way, get them the right way round. I've got quite a few jungle animals. I like tigers and zebras and elephants and that sort of thing. So I've got a few jungle cats and animals. That wreath is lovely. And this owl, now this owl, there's another one further in, exactly the same owl. It has a left and a right side. So, you know, you could have a matching pair if you wanted on whatever you're doing. Here's the lion and its baby. Simba and Dad. Okay, the music notes are beautiful. I think I ordered 4 instead of 2, but that's all right. I'm sure I'm going to use those. Now this is lovely. This is a repeat of 4. Now the good thing about Ninny's site is that you can look at the napkins on the site, and they'll not only show you the closed version like that, it'll show you the open version like that, so you know exactly what you're getting when you buy the napkin. The other thing is there's a discount code below in the description, and it will allow you a one-off 10% discount on your first order. Look at him. This one's nice, but it's not a continuous one, I don't think. No, oh, yes it is. Look at that. Book cover. They make a nice book cover. Now this one, I've already seen this one on YouTube used a couple of different ways. It's a very versatile little napkin, and I'm going to have to see if I can come up with something different to those other girls, because they did a wonderful job with it. This is very similar to that little one. It's a repeat of the same one. There's no left and right, but lovely country print. And there's the other owl. This one, the botanical one, is quite nice. Now I think that's a repeat, yes, of the same thing. So you got 4 of that on that one. And I bought the large gnomes as well as the small gnomes because I couldn't resist them. I do love these pastel-y colours, and it's just such a nice all over design, this one. Look at this. It does repeat, but not in the 4 corners. But that on an art journal as a background, or even some of these as a foreground, would be beautiful. That's not a bad all over print. And this deer scene is just beautiful. That's the one. Now these are some of the one-offs when I got 20 in a container. Sorry, 20 in one set. So that's a big all over pattern. And this little one is an all over pattern too, of Alice in Wonderland with the characters. I do like the roosters, and they do have a left and right. So if you have a look at this, look at that. You could do a lot of things with that. Just the layout itself, you could separate all this and do some interesting things. Now this guy I think is beautiful, and there's 4 of him on the one napkin, and yeah, I'm gonna have to really think about what I want to do with him, because I think he's lovely. And I'm not usually into foxes, but the hat, the writing behind it, everything, it's just beautiful. This is just a nice all over pattern, and as you can see, it is a repeat of the same in each corner, but you could use it as an all over print too. It works. just a nice big flower. Now, I've got these lovely elephant and baby. And I do like the sunflowers. Look at those. Then if you're into dream catchers, it's quite pretty. And this little hummingbird scene, that on a card. Oh, might have to make a few cards, I think. Look at those. Christmas cards. Now this one is no longer, now I've noticed with these one-offs, some of these you can no longer get, but I'd say Ninny's got down to a few and therefore put them into bundles so that you could get them at a discounted rate, and that's why you're getting ones off. Now, although this one is no longer on the site, this with 3 Christmas trees in the back is, so it's not, even if I use this, you can get very similar. This one I like. It's an all-over butterfly. Look at that. Very nice. So that corner and that corner are the same. That corner and that corner are the same. The robin and the cat is nice. The bear and her babies are nice. There's 4 turtles on this. And I thought this was quite interesting. You could put that on a book cover on the front of a cookbook. It says, "From my kitchen. Best downtown." So nice. Now this one I've got 2 of, and I'll just show you this. It's one of those long prints, and I've already done a video with this one because I couldn't wait to open the box and play before I did the box opening. Sorry guys, but I just couldn't wait. But I've done a video with that scene. For those who don't draw or paint, napkins are the best alternative. They really make life easy for you. There we are. Haven't folded that one very well. This is a nice all over print. Look at that, beautiful. And this one is one of those that, even though there's a left and right on it, sorry, there's a right and a right, they're both going the same direction, they've actually put an extra one in the middle there to make it a continuous design. So that could be used the same way as the rabbit. And then this little fellow here, I've used him in a video too, and I had 2 of those, so this is the one that's left. So that's what I've got from Ninnys Napkins. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below, but look out for my series on napkins and what you can do with them, because I'm going to go into some detail to give you some basic skills, and then I'm going to go into doing a big variety of quick videos showing you what you can do with those skills. So keep a lookout for that, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video today, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified of my new videos.